Is your engine acting strange when you take your foot off the gas pedal, maybe refusing to settle into a smooth idle or feeling like it is hanging on to the revs a bit too long? You might be dealing with a P0510 trouble code. This is a generic powertrain code which essentially means it applies to most vehicles made after 1996, regardless of whether you are driving a Ford, a Toyota, or something else. Specifically, this code points to a malfunction in the closed throttle position switch. Now, let us break down what that actually means for your car. Inside your throttle body, there is a switch that is supposed to tell your car's computer, known as the PCM or EACM, exactly when the throttle plate is fully closed. Think of it like a doorbell that gets pressed when the door is shut. When this switch is activated, the computer knows you are not pressing the accelerator, so it adjusts the engine to idle smoothly or cuts fuel while you are coasting to save gas. If this switch fails or the wiring gets messed up, the computer thinks the throttle is still partially open, even when it is not. This can mess up your air and fuel mixture, leading to that annoying check engine light staring at you from the dashboard. While you usually won't feel massive drivability problems, ignoring it can lead to poor fuel economy or issues with other systems like the idle air control valve. To fix this, you are going to need a digital volt-o-meter, often called a DVOM. You will want to start by checking the wiring harness. Disconnect the connector at the throttle position sensor in the computer and check for continuity. You want to see resistance there. If your meter reads infinite, you have got a broken wire. If the wiring is good, check the switch itself. With the throttle closed, there should be continuity across the pins. Sometimes the fix is simpler than replacing parts. If someone messed with the idle set screw on the throttle body, the linkage might not be touching the switch properly. In that case, you just need to readjust that screw back to factory specs to get everything making contact again.